Hello viewers, dahi bade is a very popular recipe and it is prepared in a very unique way for iftar during Ramzan in Hyderabad. We'll see now how it is prepared. Take 100 grams of gram flour, that is besan, half teaspoon each of turmeric powder, chili powder, coriander powder, garlic ginger paste and salt. And then take some finely chopped coriander. Then make a paste of all these ingredients. Then we have to add a pinch of cooking soda, but it should be added before frying. Suppose we add it and make it sit for 2 hours, the effect of the baking soda will be lost and the vadas won't be popping up. So we have to add this baking soda before frying, just before frying. Now after frying the balls, actually while frying the balls, while dropping the atta into the oil, we have to keep the flames high, then reduce the flames to medium level and fry for quite some long time in order to ensure that the atta inside is not uncooked. We have to soak the hot balls in the water in order to drain out all the oil from the balls. The flame should be kept high again when we are taking out the balls from the oil, so that the oil drains out well from the balls. Further, after soaking these hot balls in water, we have to squeeze those balls and keep them aside. Take 150 grams of thick curd. It should not be sour, it should be sweet. Add garlic ginger paste into it and beat it with the blender. Dilute the buttermilk with half glass of water and mix it well, and it should reach the consistency of thick buttermilk. Then we have to add all the squeezed badas into the buttermilk. Do the seasoning with cumin seeds, curry leaves and red chilies. Now garnish it with chopped coriander and keep in refrigerator for at least half an hour before serving. Now yummy dahi badas in Hyderabad style are ready to be served for iftar. These are not only filling but also thirst quenching, as it has buttermilk and very tasty badas in it.